How to fix the issue of no music on your Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the settings of Instagram application. So tap and hold on the app icon and go to I. Here in the app info of Instagram, go to app permission and make sure all the important permission are allowed for the application to run smoothly. Then go to storage uses and clear the cache, as sometimes collected cache can also affect the performance of application. Lastly, go to Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and if you see the option of update, simply click on it and do update the application. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.